Okay, the final tic-tac-toe. The key word is this. Okay, 3 hints. Listen carefully. 3 hints. Number 1, it is orange. Number 2, it is small. Number 3, it's like fish. Ready, go. Hey, you have to sit down. No, you have to sit down. Sit on a chair and throw the sticky ball. Sit on a chair. Vincent, sit on a chair. Oh, yes! Girl, go. The answer is cat. Okay, tic-tac-toe and write down girl. G for girl. Good. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. The key word is this. Listen to my hint. Listen to my hint. Number 1. It has 2 long ears. Number 2. The eyes are red. Number 3. It is white. Go. Go, 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 go. No. Go, 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 go. Cannot. You didn't hit. Jeremy, give it to Kevin. You hit already? Give it to Kevin. Give it to Kevin, yes. No, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair, Kevin. Sit on the chair. Hey, no Chinese. Vincent. Yes, rabbit. Oh. Okay, tic-tac-toe. No Chinese, please. Tic-tac. Okay, write G. Girl or is rich. Okay, next question is this keyword. Listen to my hint. It is big. It is brown. It has big nose. Go. Big nose. Vincent, go, 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 go. Hit. Abby, give it to Sarah. It is big. Oh, go, 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 go. No, no, no. Show me the answer. Show me the answer. What is it? No, it's not hippo. Go back. Go back. Hippo, put it back. Put the hippo back. It's not hippo. Go, 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 go. Ooh. Okay. What is it? You have to sit down. You have to sit down. Cannot. One more time, one more time. You sit on the chair and then throw. Yes, it's there. But did she sit down? No, she didn't sit down. She has to be sitting down, okay? Oh, no, bear is there. Bear is there. Okay, go, go, go. One more time. Okay, what is it?
It's a bear.
Yes, it's bear. Put it where? And write down B. Write down B. B, 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 B. Okay. Good, yeah, it's B. No Chinese, please. No Chinese, please. Okay, the key word is... Listen to my hint. Listen to my hint. It has 4 legs. 4 legs. It has long neck. Long neck. It is very slow. It is very slow. Slow. Okay, go. What is it?
Is it a mouse?
No, not mouse. No. No Chinese, Vincent.
Is it a lion?
No, it's not a lion.
Turtle.
Turtle? Yes. The answer is turtle. Okay, girl. Where's your tic-tac-toe? Okay, girl. Wow, you reached 2 lines. Very, very smart. The key word is this. Listen to my hint. It has 4 legs. It is very cute. You can see it at home. Ready, go. Yes? Yes, it's dog. It's dog. Okay. Boy. Put it here. B for boy. Okay. Okay, the hint is this. The key word is this. Listen to my hint. It has 4 legs. It has long face. It is brown. Ready? Go. No, it's not hippo. No, it's not pig. 4 legs. It's very fast. Fast.
Is it a mouse?
No, not a mouse. No. Frog? No, not frog. It is not green. It's brown. It is brown. It is brown. It is fast. It is fast. It has 4 legs. 4 legs.
Monkey.
No, it's not monkey.
Goat.
No, it's not goat. It's brown. It's brown. 4 legs and very fast. Fast. Hippo? It's not hippo. It's not hippo. No, sorry.
Is it lion?
It's not lion. It's not lion. It's not lion.
One more time.
Listen one more time.
Horse.
Yes, it's horse. Wow, girls, you win the tic-tac-toe. Congratulations. Girls win first round.